Hi, I am Ira Khan. Health and technology have become intricately intertwined, revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare and wellness. Below are 100 lines that highlight the impact of technology on the field of health. Technological advancements have led to the development of life-saving medical equipment. Telemedicine enables remote medical consultations, improving access to healthcare in rural and underserved areas. Wearable health devices like fitness trackers monitor vital signs and encourage healthier lifestyles. Electronic health records (EHRs) streamline patient information for improved care coordination. Big data analytics help healthcare providers identify patterns and predict disease outbreaks. Artificial intelligence (AI) aids in diagnosing diseases and creating personalized treatment plans. Robotic surgery offers more precise and less invasive procedures, reducing recovery times. Virtual reality therapy is used to treat anxiety disorders and phobias. Mobile health apps provide health-related information and track user health data. IoT devices enable remote monitoring of patients' conditions and medication adherence. 3D printing technology creates customized prosthetics and medical devices. Genetic testing allows for personalized medicine and risk assessment for hereditary diseases. AI-powered chatbots offer instant medical advice and support. Nanotechnology contributes to targeted drug delivery and cancer treatments. Gamification in health apps motivates users to engage in healthy behaviors. Augmented reality assists medical professionals in complex surgeries and medical training. Health-focused social media platforms promote wellness and support networks. Remote patient monitoring helps manage chronic conditions effectively. Precision medicine tailors treatments to individual genetic profiles. Internet-based therapy provides mental health support from the comfort of one's home. Digital health platforms offer online fitness classes and nutrition guidance. Virtual reality is used in pain management for patients undergoing treatments. AI algorithms analyze medical images for faster and accurate diagnoses. Blockchain technology enhances data security and interoperability in healthcare. Telehealth solutions allow patients to connect with specialists without travel. Health informatics optimizes data management and healthcare decision-making. Mobile apps assist in medication management and reminders. Virtual healthcare assistants schedule appointments and answer medical queries. Remote robotic assistance aids patients with mobility challenges. Bioinformatics facilitates genomic research and drug development. Internet-connected smart devices can monitor environmental factors affecting health. AI-powered chatbots provide mental health support and counseling. Machine learning algorithms analyze patient data for early disease detection. Health wearables are integrated into employer wellness programs to promote health. 3D printing helps create patient-specific medical models for surgical planning. AI-driven drug discovery accelerates the development of new medications. Virtual reality is used in exposure therapy for PTSD treatment. Telemedicine allows for quick medical assessments during emergencies. Health tracking apps offer insights into sleep patterns and stress levels. AI-powered tools assist in managing chronic diseases with personalized care plans. Remote monitoring systems alert healthcare providers to critical changes in patients' conditions. Digital health passports facilitate safe travel during global health crises. AI-powered drug dosage calculators reduce medication errors. Mobile apps provide mental health support for individuals experiencing distress. IoT devices help manage and track medication adherence for patients. Health-related websites offer reliable medical information to the public. AI-powered virtual nurses provide personalized health guidance. Mobile health clinics extend healthcare access to remote areas. Health chatbots deliver information on symptoms and potential diagnoses. Telerehabilitation offers therapy sessions to patients recovering from injuries. Robotic exoskeletons assist patients with mobility impairments. AI chatbots assist in clinical trials recruitment and management. Mobile health apps aid in smoking cessation and addiction recovery. Virtual reality is used in pain distraction during medical procedures. AI-driven population health management improves public health outcomes. Wearable biosensors monitor glucose levels for diabetic patients. Telepsychiatry provides mental health counseling from a distance. AI-powered algorithms analyze patient data for drug interactions. Mobile apps offer mindfulness exercises and stress reduction techniques. Robotic companions provide companionship for the elderly and disabled. 3D printing assists in creating personalized orthotics and prosthetics. AI-powered virtual coaches offer personalized fitness plans. Internet-connected smart home devices enhance independent living for seniors. Telestroke programs enable quick diagnosis and treatment for stroke patients. AI-driven symptom checkers aid in self-assessment of health conditions. Virtual reality is used in physical therapy for rehabilitation. AI algorithms predict disease outbreaks and resource demands for healthcare systems. Wearable devices help monitor and manage heart health. Teleophthalmology offers remote eye exams and vision assessments. AI-powered chatbots provide mental health support for students in educational institutions. Digital health platforms offer online therapy and counseling services. 3D bioprinting technology, AI-powered predictive modeling helps manage hospital capacity and resource allocation. Wearable ECG devices enable remote heart monitoring. Teleaudiology offers hearing assessments and hearing aid fittings from a distance. Virtual reality exposure therapy helps treat phobias and PTSD. AI-driven decision support systems aid in diagnosing rare diseases. Mobile health apps track menstrual cycles and fertility for family planning. Remote patient monitoring reduces hospital readmissions for chronic conditions. AI-powered diagnostic tools help interpret complex medical data. Telebehavioral health provides remote access to mental health services. Augmented reality assists in medical training and education. AI algorithms analyze patient data to identify potential adverse drug reactions. Wearable devices assist in monitoring and managing stress levels. Remote cardiac monitoring detects irregular heart rhythms and arrhythmias. AI-driven virtual tutors offer medical education and training. Mobile apps promote healthy eating habits and nutrition tracking. Teledermatology enables remote skin condition evaluations and treatment. Robotic companions for children with chronic illnesses provide emotional support. AI-powered virtual assistants improve administrative efficiency in healthcare settings. Digital health platforms provide online support groups for patients with similar conditions. Teleoncology allows cancer patients to consult with specialists remotely. AI-driven algorithms analyze medical literature for evidence-based decision-making. Wearable devices monitor environmental pollution exposure and its health effects. Telepathology facilitates remote evaluation of tissue samples for diagnosis. AI chatbots offer language translation services for medical professionals and patients. Mobile apps assist in managing mental health crises and connecting with crisis helplines. Virtual reality mindfulness sessions aid in stress reduction and relaxation. AI-driven chatbots assist patients with post-discharge instructions and follow-ups. Wearable health devices with emergency alert features enhance personal safety. These lines showcase the diverse and transformative role that technology plays in shaping the future of healthcare, enhancing patient outcomes, and improving overall wellness. Thanks for watching.